Hi, so this poem is called The Death of Romance. Today, I was stopped by a man. He was about my age, and I was thinking, he's kind of cute. Until he opened his mouth. Bonjour, ça va? Est-ce que t'as snap? And now I'm thinking, who the hell is this guy? And why is he asking this in a crowded McDonald's? And you know, the craziest part about all of this is that he succeeded in getting my socials. The bare minimum. The bar is low. And now as I go home and rethink my life decisions, I can't help but think, wow, I'm easy. But no, seriously, I could have flicked my luscious locks and scoffed and walked off. I could have smirked and smiled and said, sorry. Yet I gave it to him. You know, I like to pride myself and say my standards are higher than skyscrapers, and I love telling people how nobody can get me, not even Lizzie's Darcy, yet I gave it to him. And now I'm thinking, what happened? What happened to sipping sweet tea on a hot summer's day on your front porch? What happened to sharing the traditional vanilla shake in those sketchy dimly lit diners? What happened to locking lips in the backseat of your car while watching movies in a drive-in, silently whispering soft I love yous? Now it's locking lips in the back of the movie theater, both parties high, hands are sliding up each other's thighs. What happened to romance? I mean, we see it all the time in movies. I see it all the time in literature. Yeah, I'm left like a deer in headlights, feeling so shook when a boy's personality doesn't match the ones in my books. Am I in the wrong for that? For putting every man's action under an eyeglass to scrutinize and observe his unfamiliar behaviors because I'm a scientist, a love hypothesis who's still discovering what this nuclear bomb is and what if it explodes? I don't want to be hurt. Like all the other love experiments go, people get too close and explosions melt their hearts away. That can't be me. Then why did I give it to him? Maybe it's because I already knew romance was dead. Maybe I won't ever fall as hard as my favorite characters from my readings. Maybe men will only greet me because looks can be deceiving. But my hopes are high in the clear blue skies that one day a man sweet as apple pie will look me in the eyes and I'll just liquefy. I hope he occupies my mind and intensifies my thoughts. I hope he modifies my mind and denies these thoughts. But for now, I'm stuck here asking myself how romance led to being picked up at a McDonald's. Thank you.